Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordering decimals worksheets. Okay, now here we have a few slides and we have some worksheets which allow us to practice placing decimals in ascending order or descending order. Now, as with all my worksheets here, we've had a lesson on this, so if you're not sure what to do or you need a refresher course, on the last slide there is a link. Click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will show you how to do all of these sums and problems here. Now, let's have a look. With the first one, place the list of decimals in ascending order. So ascending means from lowest to highest. Now the little trick I taught you was you have a look at the digits after the decimal point. Have a look what we have here. Now, here we have two digits. Here we have two digits. So we have to make that two digits. So we rewrite each of those decimals so that they're all two digits. So that's an easy one to do. So rewrite that one so we have two digits. Rewrite this one so we have two digits. Then you can place them in ascending order because we have the same number of digits after the decimal point. That makes it easy to place them in the required order. Now let's just do one more here as an example. Let's look at this one, this number 4. Here we have 3 after the decimal point, 4 digits after the decimal point, 4 digits after the decimal point, and another 4. So make this one 4 digits after the decimal point. So you know what to add on the end here. Once you do that, when you have the same number of digits after the decimal point, it's easy to compare the decimals and to write them in the required order. Now, this is exactly the same principle here, except we're writing in descending order. That means from largest to smallest. So the principles are the same. Make sure that with every example, the number of digits after the decimal point is the same, and then it's easy to do the comparison. Let's look at the next slide. Here we have another worksheet. This time we're writing the following as mixed fractions in ascending order. Now we remember what a mixed fraction is. So basically you have a look again and you say to yourself, what is the maximum number of digits after the decimal point? Well, here we have 3 after the decimal point, and here we have 3. So the denominator in the mixed fraction will be 1000 because you have 3 digits. So write all of these here, each and every one of those decimals there, as a mixed fraction where the denominator is 1000. Now this is explained in the lesson. Now, do we have anything different? So they're all the same. So you just go through and you have a look very closely the number of digits after the decimal point. Coming on to here, we have mixed fractions in descending order. Descending order means from largest to smallest. So let's look at, say, this example here. We have 3 digits after the decimal point, 3, 1, and 3. So basically, again, it'll be a mixed fraction where the fraction part has a denominator of 1000 because you have 3 digits after the decimal point in each case. Just change that so you have 3 digits after the decimal point, and then all of those can be changed to mixed fractions where the denominator is 1000. So this video has given us a few worksheets where we can practice writing decimals in ascending or descending order, and we can also do the same with the examples on this particular worksheet where we change each of the decimals to a mixed fraction and then write them in the required order. Don't forget the lesson at the end, or which is on the next slide. If you need to go to the lesson, click on the link and it'll show you how to do them.